This bird doesn't flap much, it floats in the sky like it owns the air, silent, sharp-eyed and deadly. Meet the kite, one of nature's smartest flying hunters. Kites are medium-sized birds of prey found in Africa, Asia, Europe and Australia. They are famous for their long wings and forked tails, which help them glide easily in the sky. Unlike many birds, kites save energy. Instead of flapping all the time, they ride the wind. This lets them stay in the air for a long time while watching the ground below. Kites have very sharp eyesight. From high above, they can spot small animals like rats, lizards, insects, and even fish. When they see food, they dive fast and grab it with strong claws. Some kites are very clever. They are known to steal food from other birds and even snatch food from humans. In some places, kites have learned to live close to cities and use human waste as food. One amazing fact is that some kites use fire. They pick up burning sticks and drop them in dry grass to scare animals out, making them easier to catch. This shows how intelligent they are. So, kites also help nature by eating pests and deadly animals.